Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, after finishing the first term syllabus exam, now I am going to start a new lesson 6, First Aid and Elementary Nursing. Student, accident can take place at any time and at any place. First things is no anybody want to any accident. Accident means by any reason, if our any body part become damaged, if anything become mishappen in our life, in our body, is the accident. And I think no any person want to any type of accident. Okay? That's why the prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. So but when anything become happen in our life, known as accident, and they can happen at the home, any place, any school. So most accident happen due to our carelessness. Means something maybe, but maximum accident happen in our life due to our carelessness. So first thing, what is the first aid? Suppose that if any accident become happen, so question is how we treat such person. At the same suggest first aid is the first and immediate medical treatment given to an injured person. And such first aid means it is given by your family member or by your friend or by any other people. Because first is the very important for our life. Because immediately we cannot reach to the doctors. So it makes some gap, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, after 3 hours, 4 hours we come contact with the doctor. So if we become not get first aid, then maybe the person become die. Okay? So first aid is very important, and if the emergency just after the first aid, just toward the hospital, means first to give the first aid to that person. Okay? Suppose that if the bleeding become start, so first you wound a cloth, okay, wound a cotton. The result, our bleeding become stop. Otherwise, when the blood come outside, then maybe the person become die. Suppose that if you become burn, so immediately you clean your burning part with the cold water, apply some ointment. Okay. So first it help to the prevent further harm to an injured person. At time it can also save an injured person's life. So how to deal with the emergency? If any emergency develop in our life, there is a very critical condition. Yes, as we know that the first is not the permanent treatment, but it is given to a person at the time of emergency. In case of emergency, don't panic. Many persons become panic. Your family member, your brother, your sister, your father, your mother. So don't be panic. If every person become panic, then the person become die. Yes. So must not get frightened, must be calm, soothe the victim and call for immediate medical help. Don't panic. Must see that the victim is breathing properly. Must try to stop the bleeding, even if it is the bleeding powerfully. You should place a piece of cotton on the wound, tie something tightly, adjust a bit, block the blood vessels, applying ice on the wound cut help. Bandage. Apply some cotton with the help of cloth, bandage. You bind the cutting place. Otherwise the blood release from our body and the person become die. Rush for proper medical help. Okay. So first you give to some medical treatment. Okay friend. So first aid box. If you want to give any first aid, then what we need? So stand in the first aid box with some things. First antiseptic. What is antiseptic? Antiseptic is the medicine applied to living tissues, skin to reduce the possibility of infection. Because when our body become cut, then many germs enter in our body by that part. So it become infected. So antiseptic prevent our body. It become not allowed to enter any microbes enter in our body. Okay, stand. So They may be cause harmful diseases. So whenever your skin get injured or torn, apply antiseptic cream or lotion on it. Some common antiseptics like Dettol, Spirit and potassium permanganate. I think you know very familiar with the Dettol, Savlon. Is the antiseptic. Next one the bandage. You know, student, cotton bandage, different size. Okay, used for covering the wound. When your body cut, then you cover the cut part with the bandage. Next, cotton wool and gauze. Student, cotton wool is used for cleaning a wound and applying medicine and oil lotion. Gauze is used for banding and dressing. When our body cut by any part, then first we clean the wound part with the antiseptic. Yes or no? First we remove the infectious part. First we remove the dirt, dust part which are present already on the wound. Okay. After that, student, ointment and painkillers. After that, if you know, you give some ointment. Okay. And if you know, then you give some painkiller. Okay. Like paracetamol. After the syringe, scissor and blade, you need syringe are used to the injection, but only the professional person, means if you know about the injection, how you inject the injection in the body, then you use injection. It is not for the each and every person. Otherwise it becomes very dangerous. If you don't know how to inject injection in our body, then please don't use injection. This is only by the professional person, means the person who related by the medical treatment. Okay, so student, if scissor and blade are useful for cutting the bandage. Next is the clinical thermometer. If the person suffer by any fever, then you measure their body temperature with the help of thermometer. And you know, student, the thermometer is 36 to 37. Okay. Means it's the normal. If their temperature more than 37, means the person suffer from the fever. Okay. So first, you know already the very familiar student. So some common accident and their first aid. Different accident. So first the cut. If by any reason your body part cut. So rinse the wound with the water. First to rinse your wound with the water. After that, clean the affected area with antiseptic lotion. First, clean the wounded shape. After that, clean with the antiseptic. If the cut is too deep and the bleeding heavily, try to stop the flow of blood by placing a piece of cotton cloth in it. Suppose that a very deep cutting, so first after cleaning, you put some cotton inside the wound. It becomes stop the bleeding. Okay? And then tie something tightly but just above the wound to block the blood. And student, after putting the cotton, you tie the cotton cloth above the wound. It becomes stop the bleeding. And after that you apply some ointment. Burn if by any reason, if you burn by any reason, by petrol, by diesel, any reason. So first, the best first aid for burn is to soak your hand or the affected area in the cold water. If you burn, immediately you wash your burning part with the cold water or with the ice. It is very useful. Do not prick the blister, because after burning our body with the burning part, the blister. So don't prick the blister. Okay? If anyone is the flame, do not panic. Wrap him in a blanket or thick cloth and make him roll on the floor. Suppose that student, by any accident, if your body covered with the fire, if your body becomes start the burning, then don't be panic. Take a thick blanket or anything, what thick, you wrap on their body and fold on the floor, rounded. Okay, the result, the flame stop the burning. The thing stop the burning. You know, student, because everything burn with the help of oxygen. When we apply the blanket over the body, then it make a barrier between the oxygen and the body, and the body stop the burning. Okay, student. After that, if anything get into your eyes, Suppose that if any dust, particle, any insect enter in your eyes, then never rub your eyes, otherwise it become infectious. Some insect very infectious. So never rub your eyes. Splash clean and fresh water into your eyes. Splash the eyes with the fresh water. Okay? And use a very short piece of cloth or your handkerchief to remove whatever has gone in your eyes. Okay? But the question is, the hanky is the clean, neat and clean. Don't put the hanky which consists any germs or dirty hanky. Okay? Poisoning. Student, if someone swallows poison, give him milk to drink. It's suppose that any person eat poison, so give to the milk, then take him to the hospital. First give to the milk, then take to the hospitals. Insect bite, student, sometimes any scorpion, it bite that person. So try to remove the sting with the sterilized needles. Press with your finger and thumb to bring out the sting from the skin. If any sting inside the body, please remove it. And after this, apply some antiseptic, and after that, consult with any doctor. Okay. Bruises. Our bruises for use ice bag for about half an hour to reduce the pain. If bruises, when you fall down, then it one swelling part, our body becomes swell. Yes or no? So how it becomes reduce the pain? You take an ice pack and put on that part, the swollen part. It reduces our pain. All the above are the first aid and measures. If the thing looks serious, immediately rush to the nearest hospital. If the situation very critical, then after applying the first aid, you directly connect with any doctor, any hospital, and save the life. It is doing such thing not only for your family member, if you see any other member, and if you have any first aid box, then immediately you help to that person, because your small help make a life, save a life, save a family. Okay, student? So use such technique in your house and in your neighbors. If you see any person who suffered by any type of accident, so you help to that person and save their life. Okay, student? So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.